My name is Bruno Cugini. I've been in the window industry for approximately 30 years.
My name is Joe Toma. I've been working from 92 till now in the window and doors and patio doors.
I am Brenda Singh. I am working with this company for like 3 or 4 years.
Hi there, my name is Marie Tamora. I've been in the window and door industry over, I would say about 20 years or so.
Hi, I'm Claire. I work for the purchasing department. I also work there in windows and doors industry, as a purchaser for so many years.
Hi, my name is Louay Aishak. I'm working with the window company from 2008 until now.
Hi, my name is Kirk. I've been working here about a year and a half. Previously, I worked not in a windows company, but a glass manufacturing company.
Hi, my name is Elena, and I'm working in the window and door industry about 10 years. And I'm working as a order desk manager at this company about 3 years already.
I also have many years of experience in the building trades. I am a carpenter by trade. I've owned my own construction company for a few years as well, and lots of experience in the manufacturing industry and anything to do with the window industry itself. Lots and lots of experience with that. So I do bring quite a bit of knowledge into this position. Quality control of our product in the company and what's being produced, from manufacturing of the glass to the PVC frames to the assembly, right down to the shipping of the product in the warehouse.
When I first started here and we moved, then I thought it was, oh, this place is way too big. But now we practically have full capacity, and it's just amazing how we just grow each day and more and more. I think Mr. Antonio has to start looking for a bigger building now.
I just like the working with the people, good people, good quality windows, and we take care about the window as exactly like for your house to sell it to the customer.
Very good quality product, especially the windows.
Working with this company gave me a lot of opportunities. Like before, I was a glazier. Right now, I got experience of working with the casement, and the sash windows as well as the slider windows.
Good quality for the material and the hardware, and the warranty for 25 years.
I like the culture and also the high dynamic environment.
It's very team focused, especially in our department where it's sale based. So the whole idea is just to make sure that the client gets what they want in a timely fashion, and just make sure that the plant runs smoothly, like no hiccups, make sure everything just keeps on going.
We have a huge production. It's about, I can see maybe 200, 300 people in the plant, and we have about 100 people in the office.
This company is a unique place to work at because we're very customer oriented. We want to deliver a good product to our customers, and we strive to provide a quality product to our customers. It's not just about numbers, it's about getting a quality product out in the field, easy to install, easy to operate. The end user, the customer, is extremely happy with the product. That's really important to us, and it's something we always strive for. It's pretty much a mantra of the company to provide a quality product. And that's what I do like about it over here. It's not about a numbers game where just look at the product out the door. We actually care about what we produce. And a lot of people here do care about what we produce.